In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive on a computer. We'll be using the Google Drive website in a desktop browser, so everything is easy to see and manage. Start by opening your web browser and heading to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click My Drive. This view shows the files and folders you personally store in Drive. It's the best place to focus when you're hunting for duplicates you uploaded or copied yourself. Next, use the search bar at the top. You can type a file name, a keyword, or even a file type to narrow things down. For example, you can search for a specific title or filter by type to see only documents, spreadsheets, images, or PDFs. Quotation marks around a full file name can help you find exact matches. The goal here is to gather similar files together, so duplicates are easier to spot. Now, review your results and look for files with identical names or very similar names, such as copies that end with one or copy of. It also helps to compare file sizes. To make this easier, switch to List View using the Layout button near the top right. This view shows a size column for many file types. You can sort by name to cluster files with the same title, then glance at their size and modified dates to see which ones are likely duplicates. If you're unsure, click a file to preview it and confirm the content before deleting. When you identify a duplicate you want to remove, right-click it and choose Remove. This sends the file to the trash, but it isn't permanently deleted yet. Think of Remove as a safety net. You can restore from the trash if you make a mistake. Repeat this process for any other duplicates you find, working through your search results or different searches by name or type until you've cleared out everything you no longer need. To finish and permanently reclaim storage space, go to Trash in the left sidebar. Review the items one last time. If everything looks correct, click Empty Trash. This permanently deletes the files and frees up space in your account. Keep in mind, files left in trash are automatically deleted after 30 days, but emptying it now gives you immediate space. That's how you find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.